Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we are mastering the word could. Let's get started. Ability in a specific past situation. I could learn English because I didn't give up. He could track the lost phone using GPS. They could manage the event perfectly despite the rain. I could sleep for 8 hours straight after a busy week. After many years, I could finally meet my school friends. After taking the medicine, he could sleep peacefully. Australia couldn't win the match. She walked away before I could say anything. I couldn't understand a single word on the phone. In all the rush, I couldn't say hello to her. We couldn't buy a gift for him because the shops were closed. I couldn't wash the clothes because there was no water. I couldn't withdraw any money from the bank yesterday. Could you find your name on the results list? Could you talk to him? Could you hear the announcement clearly? How could you lift that heavy box alone? Could you solve the last question in the exam? Thanks for watching.